So I'm known for making super easy camping recipes. Well, let me tell you, this one today is easy. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So we're up in the mountains and it's a little bit cooler today. We've had a lot of rain, so I was thinking to make more of a warmer dish today, and we're making goulash. Doesn't that sound fun? So this recipe is so easy, and you can make it, we're going to be making it in our Dutch oven, but you can also make this on your camping stove, which is so perfect. And it's more of just a dump and go, just because of the fact that before I leave, I like to get a lot of the prep work done. So my burger's already cooked, my onions are sliced, everything's done, so I don't have to do that when I'm up here. So pretty much it's in the pot, cook, and we're done. So let's go ahead and get started. So the ingredients you'll want to pick up is some chicken broth, some diced potatoes, some tomato paste. I've got some diced tomatoes with green chilies, a little bit of garlic. I've already sliced my onions. I've got the elbow macaroni, and then 2 pounds of ground beef and a little bit of water. Okay, so let's just get it all added to our Dutch oven. We've got our ground beef. We're going to put in our diced tomatoes. Okay, our diced tomatoes with green chilies. It's going to give it a little bit of spice. Our tomato paste. Diced green chilies. I cut up an entire yellow onion. And we're going to add, about a teaspoon of garlic. And then a cup of chicken broth. I think that's a little more than a cup, so we'll just do that. And then half a cup of water. We'll get it all mixed up. Now, sometimes when I'm home cooking my burger, I'll actually add the onion at that time, so the onion kind of, flavors the ground beef. So that's definitely an option. This time I just cut the onion up and put it in here. I think we're going to get pretty much the same flavor. Okay, we're going to add some salt and pepper. Ooh, this smells yummy already. So what we're going to do with this recipe, because we're not baking it, we don't need coals on the top. We just need coals on the bottom. So over by the campfire, I've got 30 coals that are getting ready. What we're going to do is put this on the coals with the top on, and we're going to bring it up to a boil. Then we're going to move some of the coals off and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. When we take it off the coals, then we'll be adding our 2 cups of elbow macaroni in. Then we're going to go an additional, probably about 15 minutes. The key is to not let the macaroni get too mushy. So it just started raining. Luckily, we've got the Dutch oven underneath the awning, but this is going to make the goulash that much more perfect for a rainy day. like that, the rain has stopped. So the question is, does rain ruin your camping experience? Oh my gosh, absolutely not. You know, the rain just freshened everything up. It was beautiful. We still had our dinner cooked, and now we're going to enjoy an amazing, wonderful goulash in this nice, cool weather. So let me show you how it turned out. So let's take a look. Woo! It is hot. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. I think we did really good. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And then I'm going to change things up a little bit on my plate. I like a little bit of crunch. So I'm going to add, you know, just kind of a different little addition. I'm going to add some Fritos down on the bottom. Goulash on top. And then I am going to add a little dab of sour cream. Ooh, that looks delicious. You know, feel free to add some cheese or anything like that. I'm going to make Murphy a plate. He's been eyeing this like the whole time we've been cooking it. So Murphy has his own plate. So there's our goulash. Let's take a taste. It's so wonderful for this nice, cool weather. What a fun dinner to make while camping. Hey, thank you so much for joining me. It was great having you along. If you got some value out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. So, happy camping, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.